In this video, we're going to have a collision and essentially release the e-stop and move the machine so we can then reset the torch. So if I have a collision, it will then go into e-stop. E-stop is now activated. What you need to do is hit the e-stop bypass buttons with your left hand. Hold them down. Remove e-stop. If I release the buttons, it will then trigger e-stop again. I'm going to hold down on the buttons, remove e-stop, raise or drive my machine out of the way. Now, this is very common too. If you have your machine and you're looking through your G-code, picking up where you left off, vice versa, I essentially cannot move my machine either, because as I hit page up, page down, or the arrow keys, I'm scrolling through my G-code. I need to select auto. Now I have full control again. Or hypothetically, you're running G-code and I do not have control. It'll give you this. Cannot do that in auto mode with the interrupter pause. So basically, I cannot drive the machine while I'm running G-code. I have to hit stop. Now I have control. So basically, we'll go over this one more time. I have a collision. I hit something super hard. I need to then remove e-stop. I click on it. It will not let me. I select the e-stop bypass button, remove e-stop. If I'm in my G-code, I hit page up. It doesn't do anything. I keep holding e-stop bypass buttons down, select auto, drive my machine up, essentially clear whatever damage. Maybe I need to replace the tip, vice versa, electrode, anything like that. Now, I drove my machine directly into something at full speed. There is a potential for the inertia of the gantry to shift, essentially. So now your motors are out of sync with the location of your work axis when we created that with 0x, 0y, 0z. What we need to do is drive the machine back and rehome it. When I rehome it, I then fix my motors back into their home position and also letting it know the exact coordinates of my work location. Home and work, right? So if you have a very catastrophic collision and or you're worried that it was a hard enough collision with enough inertia to move the gantry while it was not giving the signal, you need to rehome your machine. So you just drive it back, hit home X, home Y, and you're good to go. Your work offset is now on the same coordinates given by your G54, your work offset, right? Your work offset's already set when you travel your torch over, hit 0x and 0y. So if you need to do that, rehome it, pick up where you left off, and away you go. No big deal.